Sure. Hello all, this is Pavithra. Today I come up with simplification trick. Most of the people are doing calculation by using this method, that is applying BODMAS rule, correct? Now, instead of calculating with BODMAS rule, we can go with another approach by using digital sum method. Okay, first I am going with BODMAS rule, that is 75% of 2164. That is 75%. I hope everyone know 25%, 1 by 4. Now, what is 75%? If I am multiplying into 3, you will get 75%, and here also same. I am multiplying into 3, that is 3 by 4. Correct. Now, 3 by 4 into 2164 minus 3 into 47 plus 720 divided by 9, it is giving the result as 18. Now, what is this? 4 5s 20 and 4 4s and 4 1s. Now, what is 41 into 3? It is giving the result as 1623 minus 3 into 47 into 3, 141 plus 80. Now, first what I have to do, I have to go with addition, then I have to go with subtraction. Now, what is the addition of these two numbers? 1623 plus 80, it is giving the result as 1703 minus 141. Now, here 3 minus 1, it is giving the result as 2. Now, can I fix my answer as unit digit is 2? Can I fix my answer as option B, 1562? Yes, this is one way of solving. Now, what is the another way of solving? That is by using digital sum method. Please pay your attention, very simple. Now, here 7 plus 5. What is 7 plus 5? 12. Here 12 means what is the digital sum here? 7 plus 5 is 12. Okay, that will be fine. Now, what is the digital sum? 1 plus 2, that is 3. 3 into 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. Here the digital sum is 4 minus 3 into 7 plus 4. What is 7 plus 4? 11. Digital sum is 2. And what is this? 80. Correct. 720 divided by 9, it is giving the result as 80. And here the digital sum is 8. Now, what is the digital sum here? First, we have to go with multiplication. 4 into 3, 12. Digital sum is 3. 3 into 2, 6. And here, 8. First, we have to go with addition. 8 plus 3. What is 8 plus 3? Sorry, this is 12. Yes. What is 8 plus 3? 11. 11 minus 6. It is giving the result as 5. Now, which of the following option is giving the result as digital sum is 5? Now, what is this 6? I can eliminate option D. Now, what is this 9? I can eliminate option E. Now, what about this 5 plus 5? 10. 10 plus 1 means 11. Digital sum is 2. I can eliminate option C. And what about this 10? And here also digital sum is 2. I can eliminate option A. Can I fix my answer as option B? Yes. Digital sum is 5 here. 11. 11 plus 3. 11 plus 3, it is giving the result as 14. Digital sum is 5. Yes, I can fix my answer as option B. You can go with, means for any simplification questions, you can go with this method. Okay. If you like this video, please do like and please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.